I booked a holiday with Travel Company One. I paid them. They're quite a big company. They took my money and put me on flights with Travel Company Two, but staying in one of their hotels on this package tour. I've had a horrendous 72 hours now. Just got back home. Who do I actually complain to? Travel Company One, who I booked with, or Travel Company Two, who were responsible for the flights? Because while I was there, I was literally abandoned until Travel Company One decided to get me home via...
Jenny, that sounds horrendous. Don't name the hotel or the travel companies,
No.
and thank you for not. But where did you go? Which country?
Egypt, Hurghada in Egypt.
Was that your first time there?
Yes, and it's beautiful.
It's somewhere I've always wanted to go, actually. Would you recommend it?
Yes.
Well, but you wouldn't recommend the airline or the travel company, I assume?
No, I've travelled with the first number one. For the last 20 years, never had a problem.
Yep. Was it one of these flights that we've been hearing on the news has been cancelled?
Yes,
because
it was.
Hundreds of flights have been cancelled over the last few weeks in different tranches.
Yeah.
Okay, right. So here, I think there's a really easy answer. I just want to ask you a couple of questions first to make sure. Number one, I'm assuming the answer is yes. Were you departing from the UK?
No, it was coming back from
Egypt.
From Egypt.
But did you originally start from the UK?
Yes, I did.
And you returned to the UK, fine. That means that the EU, the European Union rules apply, which makes it nice and easy. Second question is, when you booked with Travel Company One, can I just check that you booked at least 2 out of the 3 things that I'm about to name via Travel Company One? And they are flight, accommodation, car travel.
Yes.
Good. In which case, the law is nice and clear. There's something called the Package Holiday Regulations, which say that Travel Company One, the one you actually booked through, is liable for absolutely everything.
Okay.
So they're liable for the flight delay. They're liable for any losses or reduction in the value of your holiday that you suffered.
Yeah.
And they are the person that you claim against.
Right.
You may also have a claim against the airline for compensation for delay. How many kilometres is it to Egypt?
I don't know.
It's more than 3,500, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah. So if there's and you said there's about 2 days delay, 3 days delay. Okay, It's not a huge amount of compensation from the airline. It's £520 per person. How many of you were there?
2, me and my husband.
So you'd get just over £1,000, £1,040 set compensation. But your claim's against Travel Company One, Jenny, and just address your claim to them. They'll pay you compensation.
Right. Thank you very much, Daniel.
Thank you. And I'm assuming...
not continue listening.
Good, thank you. And I'm assuming Travel Company One is ATOL registered and there'll be an insurance policy backing everything up. Good.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.